Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and I've got an absolute treat here for you today. This is the Harris Grand Mariner. This is the 23-foot version. So this is one of my favorite pontoons that they make, and kind of show you the front profile of this with the lights on. Just something that you really don't see out there very often. Very good looking pontoon. Obviously it's got the black. We got the nice cool lights on the outside here, some more lighting. This is just an absolutely beautiful pontoon. As we come along the side here, we got the black railing to go with the black mat. Really cool. And then I want to point out to the tower. So this is a really cool tower. It does go up and down. You can either do that at the helm, or you got this cool little remote. So you can have this in your pocket. You can press the buttons up or down, and you can control the lighting with the remote as well. So kind of cool. As we come to the back here, got a nice extended swim platform in the back. So plenty of space back here. We got the ski tow bar. We got a place for the fenders on both sides, and then we do have a chain that goes across, so you can sit back there while the boat is underway. We got underwater lights as an option on this particular Grand Mariner. And then we have the Mercury 4-stroke 300 horse V8. This thing will give you plenty of power to do anything you want on this pontoon. So there's a lot of different options on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 230 Grand Mariner. This is what they call the SL layout, or single lounger. So we've got this nice, beautiful backrest all the way from here all the way to the end. This does move or sit this way, so you can sit forward. And then if we pull this little lever right here, it does fold all the way back. And it can go all the way down as well. So when you are underway, you can kind of sit back here. You got a nice place to lounge. I'll take a look here. There's some storage underneath both of these cushions. They just pop up like this. Click them back this way, they go back down. And then that last one over there is a cooler. So you can put some ice in there. It's got a drain, all set to go for the whole day on the water. As we come into here, we do have the nice backrest, or you can sit sideways. You've got a nice cup holder and an armrest that pop up and down. And then at the helm here, we do have it raised up, which is kind of nice. If there's some people in the front, it gets you a little bit higher. This beautiful helm seat, it's got armrests on both sides. It does swivel. And then here at the helm, just an absolutely beautiful helm that Harris has really knocked this out of the park. Just seeing the stitching, beautiful stitching right in here. We've got the twin Simrad screens, going to give you all your information. Probably more information than you'll ever need, but it's all right there. You got engine stuff, you got GPS, everything that you need right there at your fingertips. I mentioned the tower. You can kind of see the cool LED lighting, and then this lighting you can just kind of change as you need, or you can have it automatically change as well. So that's kind of a cool option here with this power tower. And then as we come to the bow of this 230, you've got storage. You got flooring here with the storage in it, the sea deck on top, and then nice deep storage to put skis, wakeboards, whatever you'd like. And then obviously with the 230, we just got some more seating right in here. All the seats come down just like that. They've got little locks on them, so when you're sitting on them, they're not gonna pop all the way down, which is kind of nice. Both chairs up front do have armrests and cup holders as well. This is the chestnut brown with a nice accent of a little bit darker gray in there. Like I said, I think this is one of the most beautiful pontoons that they have made. And this one's here at our Rogers location. Again, the Harris 2023 230 Grand Mariner. If you want to come see this boat, just stop on by our Rogers location or give us a call to set up an appointment that works for you. And as always with our page, please click that like button and click to subscribe to see all the other videos we're putting out every day.